Hey, construction and renovation owners, if you want to grow your business, you got to watch this video. Hi, I'm Joe Bongiorno, founder of MediaForce, and for over 25 years, we've been helping businesses across North America grow. We understand the pain points that come with digital marketing for construction, like wasted ad spend, no SEO results, or no communication from your agency. And we use tools like SEO, paid ads, social media, and CRO, but more than that, we leverage AI, automation, and smart marketing like personalization to increase conversions and grow your business. We have many case studies showing the successes we've had growing renovation and construction companies, including a startup that is now over $2 million in sales. We also have many successes working with trades like electrical and plumbing and other service-related businesses. We have also recently introduced HR and staffing advertising, as COVID has had such a huge impact on skilled labor and staff in the last 3 years. So if you'd like to take advantage of our expertise in your construction field or would like a free assessment of your business, feel free to book a call with me right here.